Y'all, it has been a long week. Work, school, running, doing so much. By the way, today is Sunday. So is it, end of the week, beginning of the week? Depends on what you classify. Yes, technically on the calendar, it's the first day of the week. But for people that work, it's the last day of the week. That work a Monday through Friday schedule anyway. So it's the end of the weekend, beginning of the week, and here hubby coming back in the garage. He's like riding his bike, trying to figure out some things over there that's going on with his bike. But anyway, it's been a long week and it's Sunday. And between work, school, different other activities the kids have going on, we always spend so much time running. Yesterday, Saturday, we spent all day at the softball field. Even though things didn't end as we hoped they would, the girls still enjoyed themselves and had a good time. And they're 10 years old, so she's in 10U, and they still have a lot of growing, a lot of progressing to do. As long as they're having fun and they're actually learning, that's what matters most. But yes, I know I showed y'all earlier in the week, Meg is not in the garage currently still. Hi EJ over there. And Shirley there. Like I said, hubby is riding her around, trying to get some things figured out for that. Y'all know I had the Let's Roll Lift and the Dolly. Where is it? It's in the corner over here. So I got it planted, tucked away in the corner here. And y'all know I use that thing for everything, for like our oil changes. When we're doing like a real detailed clean, when we're washing the bikes, we'll put it on there. And when we need to look over the bike, anything I do, or sometimes when he's working on, we have both bikes at the same time. Put one on the lift and one on the dolly or whatever. And we can have both of them up at the same time. And when you have them up, they're easy to move around. Like, y'all know how easy that thing is. But the only thing is, when we like tuck it away and we're not using it, it's just sitting in a corner. Y'all know I love it. But they have a rack for it now where you can place it wherever you want to on the wall, and you can hang that rack up on the wall. So that's what we're getting ready to do. I'm trying to move some things around in the garage a little bit anyway. Now that we don't have the other bike in here, we can kind of try to move things around. And I can get that lift up in the corner and that dolly, get it up off the floor. And I can have more space. So I just got to figure out where exactly I want to put it at. Who knows? I don't know. We'll figure out where exactly we want it to go. But I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. So let's see where we're going to put it at. All right, guys. So here it is. I know that stand and that lift's supposed to go on this. It's only about 2 bolts from what I saw earlier that you have to even use to hang it up. Oops. But here it is. I love how they have their name in here. That's pretty neat. So, but like I said, this is it, and we just got to figure out where exactly we want to put it at. And obviously here is where we're gonna hang it at. So let's find a nice spot to put it in. All right, guys, so we found the perfect spot here for this wall mount for the lift and the dolly. I do want to point out that here on the arms of the wall mount here, this is rubber that's in this area here, and you have rubber in this area here. So we want to get it all hung up here and test it out. It feels up here pretty sturdy. Now, I do want to point out though, guys, before you hang this here on your wall, please make sure you guys find the stud in your wall to hang this on, because it's going to be heavy for that dolly, and the stand and the lift itself to sit up here is heavy. So you want to make sure you secure it down good and find the studs, because you won't come home one day think you got it all hanging up, it's looking cute, and pff, it's on the floor. So I'm gonna get some gloves on before I pick up this lift and the dolly here, because of course it's oil and it's dirty. And look, I'm still a girl, so gotta keep these nails clean. All right, let's get this stuff up. Probably goes the other way. Fits like a glove. It's pretty snug up there too. That fits perfect, guys. The wider shelf up here. So this is where your dolly goes, and in the smaller portion down here is where the lift itself goes. And you want to make sure, of course, there's no bar here. So the opening of the dolly is down, and you have the top part here. And because of this bolt here, no brainer, you have to hang the stand with the bolt on the bottom side here. So less roll there. You see the less roll there on the wall mount. And it looks pretty neat standing up there instead of just being down on the floor and in the way. So you don't have to accidentally kick it or anything. So to keep everything nice and neat, which is what everything was created for. Now you have the wall mount, and you can pull it down whenever you need to use it. So if you're one of those neat people that love to keep your garage neat and organized, you like to be able to find things, this right here will be a perfect fit for you. And as you can see, it doesn't take up much space at all. I'm sure you got some extra wall space you can lend for one of these here in your garage. And plus, it's something useful. So if you're looking for the Let's Roll lift and the dolly, make sure you go check out Let's Roll. Too easy to move around, and you don't want it to kind of get away from you because it'll roll. But it's manageable and easy to do. So I can spin this bike in a circle, no problem at all. Too easy. And this is with minimum effort, y'all. I'm not even doing a whole lot. And we're at a standstill. And I'll walk away from it and leave it there. I'm telling you, won't be disappointed with either one of these products. The wall mount is also up there as well. I will definitely leave the links down below so you guys can go and find those items if you're looking to work on your own bike, or you just need to organize and clean up some space in your garage. All these items here would definitely help you out. Other than that, guys, I'm gonna get ready to finish straightening up my garage, and then go in the house, finish straightening up, and finish out the end of the weekend here and get ready for a work week. Well, all in all, we've been having a good old time, having fun. I guess I'll catch you guys in the next video. Love you guys.